All right, and welcome to the chat robot services in the reservation system. This does a complete reservation and booking system for local businesses or online businesses or anything that you want. I have a few demos here that's going on here. But if you're an administrator, for example, you own a business or you're a staff member, you want to manage the booking and configure it all, you simply register as an administrator. Now, customers are people that do the reservations and do the bookings. Those are your clients, okay? So you need to register as administrator, and I'll give you access to this. Right now, for beta testing, it's free. There will be a payment. So as administrator, you fill all this out. It's their personal information, what kind of business type. I'll put a lot more in there, as well as the company name. You can set this up as a demo as well, and just click on the I agree to the terms and click on register now. Okay, once you do that, you can log in, and I will log in. And I'll show you what it looks like when you log in. Well, once you log in, it's going to look like this. Okay. So once you log in, this is the administrator login window. What it looks like, and the first thing you'll notice there's a lot of menus on the left-hand side. So we're going to go through this one at a time. But the first thing that you need to do is you need to set up go through the settings. Okay. There's a menu on the top here, and go through the settings. And when you do that, click on settings, and you'll see that there's a number of different tabs, and you just walk through them. Okay, so you want to set up the logo. If you want to have a logo as well, that's nice. This logo will also go out on the emails when customers book. They'll get a confirmation email, and that logo will be in there as well. So just set all your information out for your company, so forth. Update the settings, the appearance. This is what kind of configuration you want for that the person that's doing the booking and making the reservation, what kind of presentation they're going to have. So, for example, show front-end feedback form, yes or no. Okay. Show guests users checkout. You want to have being able to use. Are they going to pay right there, or are they going to pay when they actually visit the local business? So you need to do what you're going to do there. Just go through it. You'll see that there's is there going to be a tax on it if you're charging or not. You can put a tax on it. This is only if if they're paying online before they get there. If not, you can just disable that feature and just book the appointment. The thank you URL, thank you page URL is important. You can put a Facebook chat bot me link here that'll bring them back into the conversation of the Facebook bot after they make the reservations, and I'll show you how to do that. All right. So just walk through it, and you can see that what time zone you're in, auto confirm appointment, yes or no, and so forth. Okay, so just walk through that. Here you got the payment settings, and if you're going to be making payments right away online, you can set this up as well. Otherwise, it's always good to do one. So you can just turn it on, and you can check the PayPal settings, and you put the PayPal status. It can guess make payment, yes or no, and get the PayPal API a password to signature, and so you log into your PayPal. You click on this little wheel icon here, the settings, and you go to My Selling Tools. Then you go to API Access and click on Update. And from there you scroll down and you go to the Classic right here, and it says Manage API Credentials. And you'll see that you can get the username, password, and signature, and do that right there. Okay, you plug that into the you plug that in right there, and then you're all done. Okay, and then you're all done. There. Then you check the email settings. Are customers going to be getting email notification? Yes or no? And as the admin, do you want to get email notifications every time somebody makes an appointment or cancels and so forth? Yes or no? Okay. From there, you got SMS settings. So when customer puts in their phone number, do you want to send them a text message? And also, do you want the admin to get a notification as well, on or off? You can buy credits right here. It's really cheap, and you can pay manual or by PayPal, and you can buy credits. Okay. And your SEO settings, you can put in your Google Analytics code, page title, for meta tags, description. OG tags are for social media. And so you can put a social media tag image right there as well, upload it. Your welcome message, do you want to have a welcome message status for when clients come in? You can have it enabled or disabled. And then the booking form. You can play around with this. This is for people that visit your your page to book. What it's going to look like. You can have a custom background of maybe your business, local business, or what have you, the street or whatever you want. Or else you can change. You can change the colors and so forth. Up here it says single category auto trigger status, and then the single service. Now you'll need to play around with this, okay? And I'll show you what that is later by playing around with that. But these are cool little things that you can do, okay? So we'll come back to these tabs here. So that is the settings, and we just wanted to go through that. And you'll notice that the embed code, it's really cool. You can do a hyperlink for a book now, or you can embed the entire thing as a page on your own website. So if you have your own domain, you don't need to be using mine. Okay, you can just take this and put that on a page on your own website, and the booking form will be on your own domain. Isn't that cool? All right. So that is the languages as well. Obviously, there's only English right now, but there's other languages here. Okay, you can set the language type. Really, really cool. And you can change your own profile right there, and you upload your own image avatar if you want. It's really cool. Then there's support tickets. All right. So that's the settings on the top here. There's notifications every time there's a new booking or whatever or something happening, and there's also a refunds here, requests. All right, and so forth. All right. So that's the top navbar settings to go through. Next, we'll create a form and do all this on the left-hand side. Thank you.